They've been outside, but in a pen. This is their first time out of the pen. Oh my, what are we going to do? You're mauling me, girls and boy. You're mauling me. Come on. Let's go see the water. This big thing over here. It's the pond. Let's see what we do. It's water, you guys. Well, they're not fearful. That's good. That's good. What do you think? That's different, isn't it? Of course, now they're going to jump all over me with wet feet. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yes. I'm talking to you, you little mud ball, you. Ow. That's the boy. That's the boy. Yes. What's this? What's this, huh? Come on, pups. Pup, 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 pup. New situations.